Hello everyone. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain about the meristematic tissues and growth. Okay, in the previous one, during the Google Meet session, I already explained to you that meristematic tissues is related to the growth of plant, and meristematic tissues is divided into two, which is apical meristem. Apical means tip, okay, and lateral meristem. Lateral means side by side meristem. So where is the apical meristem tissues can be found? It can be found at the tip of plant, shoot and roots. Shoot ni di pucuk, roots ni di akar lah. Okay, so apical meristem is located at the tips of plant shoots and roots, whereas the lateral meristem tissues consists of vascular cambium and cork cambium. Itu maksudnya dia di tengah-tengah. Okay, this is dissections. So it's in the cork cambium and vascular cambium. So the growth can be is growth in diameter, in the size of diameter untuk lateral meristem. Kenapa boleh ada growth the size of diameter? Because there is a vascular cambium and cork cambium. Okay, next. Okay, next, zone of growth. Okay, zone of cell growth. The tips of shoots and roots can be divided into three zones of cell growth, which are, the first one is a zone of cell division. This is the first zone. Okay, the second one is cell elongation. And the third one is cell differentiation. Differentiation. Okay, so before I go further, atau kita refer pada textbook, this is again bila play logic, always play logic. Okay, kita tahu bila kita nampak pokok kan, I hope you can relate this, and you can observe plants. Observe plants ni tidak payahlah kamu tunggu 24 hours, tapi kamu boleh perasan kalau tumbuhan dari the plant grows, dia tumbuh. Okay, jadi plants tu daripada dia kecil macam ni, when it's small like this, it will go bigger than this. Grow bigger than this. Okay, jadi what I want to show you here, the three zones. Okay, kalau kamu nampak yang memanjang itu sebenarnya di bahagian bawah. Okay, bahagian bawah ni. Okay, ini yang akan nampak panjang. Maksudnya yang ini yang saya bulatkan ni, the tip of the roots lah kan, the tip of the shoot, pucuk kan. Dia akan, contohlah starting dari kecil macam ni, ini pokok yang kecil ni, small young plants, nanti dia akan bertambah. Jadi maksudnya bila saya bertambah, the division atau pertambahan tu sentiasa berlaku di at the tips of the shoot, di hujung pucuk. So itu bila bertambah, kamu tengok apa jadi? Dia akan jadi tinggi, it grows. Okay, sebab kadang why I explain this, because students, they will get confused with the sequence. They confused mana satu zone elongation, mana satu zone differentiation, which is the zone of division. Okay, again think logically. Okay, so di sini zone division ni, bila kita tengok sekarang, we are looking at the shoot tip, hujung pucuk. Okay, hujung pucuk, tengok dia zoom in tu 3 kali ni. Ini adalah hujung pucuk. Kemudian this is the real micrograph of meristematic cell at shoot tip. Okay, sekarang ini adalah dia punya lukisan lah. So, senang dia divide bahagian tu. Okay. So, bila bahagian paling hujung, betul-betul paling atas, this is what we call a zone of cell division. Cell division. Next to it is, and you can see here, during the cell division, it is simple. Dia tidak apa-apa differentiation. It's just a primordium. Okay. And then, next, below the cell division is cell elongation. It's a zone of cell elongation. Elongation ni, nama elongation ni long lah, dia memanjang. Elongation, memanjang, pemanjangan. Okay, and during this zone cell of elongation, we can start to find vascular tissue. Okay, vascular tissue start to form, mula membentuk. What is vascular tissue? Again, phloem and xylem. Okay, and then next to zone of cell elongation is cell differentiation. Cell differentiation. So what we can find in zone of cell differentiation? Okay, tadi vascular tissue baru start to form. Ni dia sudah betul-betul ada, which is this differentiate. It clearly differentiate between ada xylem, ada phloem, cortex and epidermis. Okay. Again, here kita tengok pula that is on the since this is about meristematic tissues. So meristematic tissues kita tengok shoot and roots. Okay, pucuk dan akar. Okay, sama juga. Same goes to root apical meristem. Apical meristem, it has a cell division, elongation, differentiation. Okay, and then you can notice here that's before cell division we have a root cap. Cap ni penutup lah. Okay, penutup di hujung akar tu dia ada penutup dia. We call it root cap. And then root apical meristem. And then during zone elongation start to happen, the vascular tissue start to form. Belum lagi betul-betul ada, tapi it start to form. And during the when the cell enter the zone of cell differentiation, okay, barulah clearly ada xylem, phloem, okay, root hairs. Again, root hairs ni sebenarnya it's a modified epidermal cell. Dia sebenarnya epidermal tissues. Tissue surface, tapi disebabkan it's under the ground, it's on the root, dia jadi root hairs. Okay, baik. Now we are going to the one by one. What happened during zone of cell division? What happened at the zone of elongation? And what happened during the cell differentiation? Okay.